Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. Today we're going to show you this Torque. It's a toy hauler. The model number is 365, 2018. Pretty nice size for a toy hauler. As we walk around it, you can't help but to see all these big awnings right there. It has nice storage for a toy hauler. Usually they don't have much. As we go here in the basement, you can see your shut off right here. This got an auto leveling, folks, right here. Push a button, it levels itself. And that stays up for the magnets. Come in here, let me show you a couple of things inside. And in a way, welcome home. It's very homey feeling to it with a big couch. I like this island where it's out of the way, where you have traffic flow. Big fridge, that is a must if you're gonna be out there playing. Really nice. Big, huge freezer, with a pass-through. So some of them have two compartments. You can put too much stuff in there. In a way, you have that cabinets here, which is your pantry. Pretty nice, very handy. More storage, as you can see, pretty deep. We got your oven, your burner, your average stuff, your double sink. Let me show you the garage in here. Really nice garage. Depends what kind of toys you have. You got two more couches on top, and then you have another bed that is powered that will lower down here. You got this sturdy steps for your cargo area up there. An extra bathroom makes it very handy. It depends if you have mud or you have friends or family. An outside sink. Really nice venting. Again, this is a nice venting system in it. As you can see here, everything is powered from the awning to the beds. You can control that from up here. Let me show you the bedroom. As we walk in, nice entrance to the bedroom. Everybody wants a walk around bed. This one is kind of walk around bed, but lots of shelves, lots of counters on it. The bathroom here, you can pass through. We can open this, open it right here for you. You got the tub. You got a nice lighting here going on, natural. Lots of cabinets. Look at that. It's pretty sweet for a toy hauler, really. It's fancy. Let's go outside and show you a couple of things. Nice big slide out. That's where your fridge was, if you remember, inside. As we go here, the auto leveling, you can't miss that, of course, with that push button. A second door makes it very handy. You don't drag dirt inside. Depends on what kind of activities you're doing with this rig. Really nice, graphics on the Torque. Makes it unique, As we go around, we got our fueling station right there for your toys, what have you. This is the other slide out that had the couch in it, that big couch. Pretty nice slide out here. This is the slide that was in the bedroom, if you remember, and that had all the storage in it. Lots of closets up there. Outside shower right here, my friend. And this is the other side of your basement. For a toy hauler, that's pretty big. There is more to talk about this coach. Please give me a call when you get a chance. 541-515-1237. Thank you.